With QuarryVision, you will be using the most powerful, intuitive, accurate performance and profit optimization system available to the aggregates industry. QuarryVision relies upon far more than unvalidated flow models, infrequent belt samples and questionable closed-side setting measurements. QuarryVision takes real-time data produced by belt scales and transforms it to reveal the true yield and capacity limits of the process. To achieve definitive production management, QuarryVision continuously records yield, rate and runtime data for the entire process. The initial measurement system is comprised exclusively of belt scales strategically located to measure key elements within each segment of the process. Before the introduction of the QuarryVision systems, the aggregates industry had few choices when it came to tools to effectively evaluate, measure or control the production process. The industry's mainstay measurement tool has been belt cuts and sieve sampling. Belt cuts and sieve samples cannot be relied upon for controlling the production process, and here's why. If you take one belt cut per shift from a 400 ton per hour plant, that cut represents approximately 228 pounds or 0.029% of the plant's 3,200 tons of daily production. The data resulting from a 228-pound belt cut is simply inadequate as a representative sample of the thousands of tons of product produced daily by a plant. Flow modeling simulation software is another tool used in the aggregates industry. All flow modeling software used in the aggregates industry are steady-state simulation programs. Steady state refers to any process that runs in a continuously stable condition and does not change over time. Flow modeling software disclaimers warn users that simulated results are based on optimal operating conditions and that it is the user's responsibility to verify that the input data is valid and operating conditions are optimal. The real world of aggregates production is not a steady-state process. Real-time production reporting demonstrates this fact. This flow model shows the finished production segment of a currently operating 1,000 ton per hour rated plant. This is an image from the QuarryVision real-time reporting system displaying actual production from the plant just shown in the flow model. This 10-minute snapshot shows what appears to be a steady-state process, capable of achieving its design rate of 1,000 tons per hour. However, as the rest of the day is exposed, it immediately becomes obvious that the steady-state presumption used in flow modeling software does not represent operating reality. These are QuarryVision production charts, captured at 1-minute intervals, from 5 continuous days of processing at a 1,000 ton per hour design-rated plant. The green line in each report reflects the 1,000 ton per hour flow model design rate. Looking at the production days individually, you will see the highest daily average was 816 tons per hour and the lowest daily average was 429 tons per hour. The average tons per hour for the week would be 643. QuarryVision takes real-time data produced by belt scales and transforms it to reveal the true yield and capacity limits of the process. In addition, operating benchmarks are created, making it far easier for production managers to continuously measure, analyze and sustain performance. Once the true capability of an aggregates process has been established, QuarryVision blends sales data and marketing projections, thus facilitating cooperative planning between production, sales and accounting managers. Key features of the QuarryVision system includes a historical database that precisely reveals performance benchmarks as well as hidden patterns, trends, process bottlenecks and undesirable variability. A real-time data interface which provides continuous performance feedback, including the ability to evaluate the effect of various plant configurations on key product and byproduct yield. Custom reports and alarms, including real-time management updates and alerts triggered by user-specified events or by time of day. A web-accessible real-time interface, including smartphone and tablet, indicating achieved yield, capacity and variability for each product as well as for individual process segments from primary to stockpile. The profit optimization model includes process measurement, cost management, mode validation, inventory management, and utilizes sales projections and revenue forecasts to project potential profit margin within various operating and sourcing scenarios. QuarryVision was designed and created exclusively for the aggregates industry. There is no shrink-wrapped software that can compete with its reliability. The QuarryVision system can truly bring an end to speculative forecasting, out-of-balance budgets, and end-of-year accounting nightmares.
QuarryVision.